Yes, certainly. Well, that's no problem. See you later then.
Morning, Barry.
Is it?
It is.
Is it?
It is.
Is it?
It is. I've just had Professor Von Crumple on the phone.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he's coming round to buy the bottle top phone off us.
Is he?
He saw our advert in the Bottle Top Phone Collectors Weekly. I'm going to sell him the Chuckler Dial Special. Have you finished it?
Just. I've been at it all night. Beg pardon?
I should think so too.
Don't you know it's very rude to yawn with your mouth open? Hey, you've done a good job here.
I've used the latest technology. Mini micro circuits and the best digital comfifier on the market.
Where's the battery?
It's over here.
We're going to have to do something about that. What are you doing?
I'm going to bed.
What are you doing?
I'm going to bed.
You can't do that. We've got the Professor coming round.
You've got the Professor coming round. I'm going to bed.
Hang on. He wants to discuss his equipment.
Well, can't you do that? I really am tired.
No, he wants to see the two of us. He's an eminent psychiatrist.
What's an eminent?
Well known. He looks after people who aren't right in the head. And somebody recommended us.
Charming.
To supply his phone for him. Could be the start of something big, this.
How do you mean?
Well, he's an international psychiatrist. What are you doing?
I'm going to bed.
And he probably knows loads of other international psychiatrists. And if he tells them all to come and buy a phone off us, we could end up with a large head.
Is that one of those big satellite dish things?
Could be, yes.
Well, would you mind? I'm going to get changed now because I'm going to bed.
Hang on. You can't see Barry. You're in your gym jams. Barry.
Isn't in my gym jams.
Hello? Hello? Bye, Professor.
Who was it?
The Professor. He's on his way round.
Right. Good night.
Hang on. I need you to help me test the equipment.
Hey?
Yes, come on. I'll go outside and give you a ring. Stupid thing. Barry?
Come in, Mum.
It's me. What do you think you're doing?
Whack him.
Now get up and put the kettle on.